Hello everyone, I'm Eddie V and welcome to today's channel. And today's small video that I'm making, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing, or basically what I do after every oil change and what you need to be doing after every oil change. So this is Seafoam, guys. And this Seafoam is for both gas and diesel engines and any type of gasoline or diesel engine. So as you can see, you can use it for anything you want. And what it does, it cleans out anything, like literally all this right here. It says it cleans out injectors, carb jets, stabilizes fuels, moisture and fuel, noisy lifters, cleans deposits, and that to fuel, upper cylinders, de-ice, and anti-gel. So guys, what I recommend doing is doing this after every oil change. Basically, you did an oil change. I just changed the oil in this Mazda. Now I'm going to, the car is turned off. See, oopsies, I dropped it. Car is turned off, guys, and we're going to open it. Let's see here. So open, gotta pull the tab. Come on. Sorry guys, I gotta use both hands for that. What do you call? Can't pull it out because this broke. Yeah, well guys, if your thing fails, what I recommend is grab a knife and just cut it open with a knife. Poke a few holes in there and then dump it into the fuel system. Make sure all the plastic does not get into your fuel though. Basically, just gotta dump it. I recommend doing this serial motion, that way it goes in there faster. But yeah, after you dump it all in, go ahead and fill her up and start her up, and that's all you need to do. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2006 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.